Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's session. I hope, children, you all are studying well. Now look at the screen, children, and tell me which two animals you all can see here. Yes, a rabbit and a tortoise. Now, children, you all must have heard the story of the tortoise and the rabbit. You all know who runs faster? Yes, a rabbit. Rabbit runs very fast, and as compared to rabbit, tortoise walks slowly. So, children, in that story, as we all know, they had a race of running. So, if they want to reach to the hill, who will go in less time? Who will reach in less time there on the mountain? A rabbit or a tortoise? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit will reach on the mountain in less time, and tortoise will take more time. Okay, children, the story is different. That only my question you have to answer. In story we know tortoise has won the race, but here we will see practically. Yes, rabbit runs fast and tortoise walks slowly. Yes, so rabbit will reach in less time and tortoise will reach in more time. So children, today we are going to learn more about less time and more time. Children, we do many activities every day, isn't it? Yes, we go to school, we play with our friends, we take our lunch, we listen to song. Yes, and to do all activities we need different time. We spend different timings. We need different time for different activity. Okay, children? Do you know that we need time according to the activity? As I told you, we need time according to the activity. So, some things take more time and some things take less time. For example, see here, Pooja is cooking in the kitchen. And look at your right hand side, Priya is combing her hair. Priya is combing her hair. Now children, cooking in the kitchen and combing her hair, who will take more time, Pooja or Priya? Yes, the answer is very easy. Who will answer? Yes, my all good children are very smart. Yes, Pooja will take more time and Priya will take less time. Now look at the another picture. Aisha is making a drawing and Anaga is sneezing. Who will take more time, Aisha or Anaga? Yes, the correct answer is Aisha. Aisha will take more time and Anaga will take less time. Rahul and Sagar are going to the shop. Rahul is cycling and Sagar is walking. Who will take more time to reach? Sagar or Rahul? Yes, Rahul is cycling, so he will reach soon. He will take less time. And Sagar is walking, so he will take more time. Who will take less time, Rahul or Sagar? Yes, Rahul will take less time. Sagar will take more time. Now look at another picture. Here we can see one child is swimming and the other one is in the boat. So children, in boat it takes less time and if you are swimming it takes more time. If you are going to school, if you go by walking, it will take more time, and if you are going by a car, it will take less time. So by car we can reach very soon, so it takes less time, and by walking it takes more time. I hope you all must have understood. Now it's a time of activity. Now, more time or less time? How long will it take? Eat lunch and clean teeth. Now what will take less time? Clean teeth or eat lunch? Yes. Clean teeth. To clean our teeth it takes less time, and to eat our lunch takes more time. Okay children? Now look at another picture. Tick the mode of traveling which take less time. If you are going by walking or if you are going by car. So here, yes, by car. So we will tick here. So car will take less time. Now children, do here. Put one dot for the one that takes less time and two dots for the one that takes more time. Yes, swimming will take more time. Okay, and by boat it takes less time. Okay, understood children? Now we will learn number names from 331 to 350. 331. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYONE. 331. 332. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYTWO. 332. 333. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYTHREE. 333. 334. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYFOUR. 334. 335. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYFIVE. 335. 336. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYSIX. 336. 337. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYSEVEN. 337. 338. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYEIGHT. 338. 339. THREEHUNDRED and THIRTYNINE. 339. 340. THREEHUNDRED and FORTY. 340. Now 341. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYONE. 341. 342. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYTWO. 342. 343. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYTHREE. 343. 344. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYFOUR. 344. 345. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYFIVE. 345. 346. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYSIX 346, 347. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYSEVEN 347, 348. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYEIGHT 348, 349. THREEHUNDRED and FORTYNINE 349, 350. THREEHUNDRED and FIFTY 350. I hope children you all must have understood all the number names. So you are going to write number names in your notebook from 331 to 350. Okay children, I hope you all must have enjoyed our today's session and you all must have understood the concept of less time and more time. Okay children, thank you so much and see you soon in the next period of maths. Okay children, bye.